Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Abdullah, and today me and my group will present to you Water Scrum Fall methodology. Our group members is Mujib Rahman, Abdullah Muhammad, Raja'i Darabi, Muhammad Akmal, Muhammad Shihab, and Ahmed Fawzan. At the end of this presentation, we hope all of you understood this concept.
What is Water Scrum Fall methodology? A hybrid of two project management methodologies, which is Waterfall and Scrum. The Water aspect covers the upfront project. Scrum features the middle of process with particular focus on teams by working on sprints. Water Scrum Fall is a flexible approach embracing traditional and agile development principle. This hybrid methodology allows team to use whatever techniques best meet the needs to solve the task at hand at any certain time.
Agile software development, also referred to simply as Agile, is a type of development methodology that anticipates the need for flexibility and applies a level of pragmatism the delivery of the finished product. Benefits of Agile include its ability to help teams in evolving landscape while maintaining a focus on the efficient delivery of business value. During the past 10 years, we can observe that Agile changing from an approach practiced only by Agilists to one that many organizations employ. Agile also improves efficiency throughout the organizations as teams work together and understand their specific roles in the process. Agile has replaced waterfall as the development methodology of choice in most companies, but it is itself at risk of being eclipsed by the growing popularity of DevOps.
Phases and activities. Research on how the model works and its pros and cons. Strategies on how to execute the process efficiently. Prepare the document requirements. Design the system according to the client's demand. Software is developed based on the discussed requirements. Integration and testing are done to make sure no error in the software. Software is developed to be used by the client. Regular support and maintenance is performed to fix any occurring bugs, errors.
Advantages: help reduce development costs. 2. Better meet requirements and higher economic value. 3. Enhanced adaptability. 4. Requirements are better met. This is due to the fact that developers and business users are already communicating earlier in the processes. Thus, developers get a better understanding of requirements. 5. Best meets team members' need for transparency and communication. 6. Speed and control. 7. Flexibility adapt requirements during operation. Disadvantages: 1. Complexity increases with the introduction of water scrum fall, even though agile methodologies usually promise the opposite. 2. Insufficient requirement analysis. 3. Confusion among customers between prototypes and actual system.
How to use Water Scrum Fall methodology. Forrester proposed the phrase Water Scrum Fall to represent the current situation of Agile in many businesses today. It's a hybrid approach to application life cycle management that incorporates features from both the waterfall and Scrum development techniques. For a long time, companies have been aware of the drawbacks of rigorously following a waterfall methodology. Spending too much time on a project upfront wastes time and money, while making modifications difficult and costly. However, due to their non-agile character, incorporating agile into bigger companies with more established project planning and governance procedures is always a challenge. It's preferable to have a flexible approach, one that enables development teams to satisfy the demands of the situation at hand to the greatest extent possible. This has prompted businesses to take action. This has led to firms adopting agile concepts for their development teams' day-to-day work while continuing to utilize traditional waterfall approaches for planning, budgeting, and high-level project management. The phrase water scrumful refers to a situation in which a company's development teams operate in an agile manner while still interacting with more conventional waterfall procedures outside of the Scrum team. Scrum is essentially thrown into the middle of a waterfall process.
Conclusion: the water scramble approach often results from a pointed agile transformation and creates an environment with many pitfalls of the waterfall approach, but with limited benefits of the Scrum approach. Several remedies for the water scramble anti-pattern have been developed, including agility path and other scaling frameworks.